Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. Today I'm at Savers in Patchogue, Long Island, so let's go thrifting. I like this Savers a lot. It's definitely very well organized and has a lot of new inventory each time I arrive. I always check out the crystal and the glassware area, and now I'm always finding these champagne glasses from 2000. It's like the new Irish coffee mug that I always used to see at these stores. I found two vintage cocktail shakers that I really liked, and initially I did put both of them in my cart, but then after looking at comps and seeing that they don't really sell that quickly, I decided to put them back. The next aisle I walked down had a lot of housewares and dishes in it, and I found this cute little bowl and I thought it was very unique and different, so I popped that into my cart. With Christmas just a few months away, I know, crazy, I checked out this area of Christmas items. There's a leprechaun in there. I think he's lost. But there was this one Christmas tree jar. It's a two-piece, either Libby or Anchor Hocking, and I did pick that up. Hey, while you're here, could you tap the like button and hit subscribe? It helps me and the channel with that pesky algorithm. I really appreciate it. I saw these really cute fox mugs. I really have to stay away from the mugs. I don't know why I even look at them, but I did. They're made by Gibson, and I put them in my cart, and then later I put them back because when I looked at the comps, as you can see, they were not that great. I loved these Anchor Hocking bowls, but you know, I looked them up and I saw that there were a lot for sale, but not a lot had sold. So while I did have them in my cart for a bit, I did end up putting those back as well. So I've driven out to Hampton Bays, Long Island to check out some of their antique stores, and I just came upon one right now and I'm gonna go check it out. So let's go. The actual antique store itself was shut down and it was empty, so it looked like they were clearing out all of their inventory in these back tents and storage areas. As soon as I walked in, I realized I was in the Hamptons. Any place that has Hampton in its name is going to be expensive. So like this kitty cat was $95. No thank you. There were at least 3 or 4 shipping containers off the main tent that included furniture, artwork, and other items, but everything was a little too pricey for me. At Savers, I picked up this Anthropologie Suite 1 Studios bowl for $3.99. I've seen comps for anywhere between $20 and $35. And then the other item I bought was this Libby Christmas tree jar. So these are the 2 items I picked up, very small ones. Again, I don't have a lot of storage or space for my inventory, so I have to be very, very careful with what I buy. I think this will do well for the Christmas season, so for $4, we'll see what it goes for. My big sale this week is the Horikawa Space Astronaut Robot with his little red feet. I accepted an offer of $106 plus shipping, and the buyer is actually in Canada. So I'm in the global shipping program through eBay, where the buyer pays me to ship from New York, where I live, to Kentucky. That's where the global shipping headquarters are located. After that, the buyer pays eBay directly from Kentucky to their home country. So I don't have to deal with any of that. And once it reaches Kentucky and it is in eBay's hands, it's out of my hands completely, and it gets to the buyer from them. The buyer paid approximately $147 total, $106 for the robot, and then another, I think, 11 or so to me to pay for the shipping from New York to Kentucky. And then the rest of it was international shipping and customs costs. So I'm very happy to get rid of him, but I think I did pretty well with him. Very happy. A few months ago, I was at American Thrift and I picked up a pair of Edison style lamps. They had their tag still on them. There was a little ding in the base of one of them, but for $20 for the pair, I thought this was a great deal. I ended up putting them on Nextdoor, and today I sold them for $90. Pretty good thrift. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. It helps me and the channel. Thanks so much. Until next time, keep on thrifting.